insulted. I did come in second. You could ask me that question too.
Well, I had to go with the champ.
I'm just saying, man. Which one is
Is that the one when you went through your legs and it hit the backboard?
Well, I don't remember. I did so many years.
I tell you what, Zach, we're so glad that you are back healthy and you've come back
And I feel
great from
good.
your knee injury. Are we going to see you in another dunk contest? Do you feel like at the bounce, or are you just going to...
I'm gonna let my legs get back into it, but I still always got tricks up my sleeve, man. This is a great moment out here for these dudes. So I might want to go back into it again.
But hold on, so you're saying you're kind of laughing at these dudes because
No.
you're the reigning champion.
To me, Zach, when you raise the rim, it actually goes against your advantage because you're not doing as much if the rim is higher.
Well, what about Kenny, the fact that his first dunk, he's going to do something like
No
this?
question. He got everybody's attention. He got mine. Okay.
I wonder how they don't be voting, because I remember Shaq doing the, make the first one.
Yeah. I have no idea what he's
He's
trying
going to throw it off the backboard.
I have no
First
idea.
backboard.
Okay.
That was cold. That was deception. It was deception. Deception. That was cool.
Creativity is back, man.
Okay,
Zach said, talking about setting the bar high, coming out hard, and it may look like it hit the backboard. Look right there.
He goes in the air.
Wheels it off the other backboard.
That's beautiful.
I will say this, Zach. Everyone who's played in a rec league has a wall behind it.
You throw it
That's
off the
throwing
wall.
off that wall.
Yep.
So he created that illusion
other wall.
of something that you've been doing your whole life.
Here's the other pressure for the judges. For them to score high in the first one, that says something, Webb.
What's that?
Oladipo! Oladipo!
He's killing this year too, man.
Let's see what he does.
Because I know for him to get back into it, he had to have something.
He might break out of the bar and just start singing here. You see his head?
No.
Some misses are so...
I gotta get the
You don't like it now.
get the cam going. I get that.
He's talking about he missed the first one.
This is a...
Victor goes right back to it.
Come on, dog.
Look at his head, though.
And I think, Kenny, that maybe is the creativity. He's not looking at the rim at all.
Oh, no, not at all. Come on, baby. Not at all.
Last chance for Victor Oladipo to post the numbers.
Oh, he's gonna get this. Last attempt. Go get that young fella.
See, I don't know. I think he might have just came. Yeah, first one been nasty.
I mean, he had everything going.
Man, this was a 50th. Oh, my goodness.
You know what?
He still makes it. That's cold. If he makes that, that is cold.
He hit the rim, though.
But he didn't make it.
You gotta give him the highest of the lowest.
Okay, 6. Dr. J gave him 7 for an effort.
His head almost hit the rim.
That was crazy. You're right.
Let's see what he's doing.
Next up, Dennis Smith Jr. from the Mavs.
You dunked it over the hoop.
Tried to throw that so hard.
He got a 48-inch vertical.
Tell us how you really feel then.
Off the knee, 48-inch vertical.
Dennis Smith Jr.
It's nice.
AG. That was AG's dunk.
That's nice. I mean,
That's how I want to move on, though. That's how I want to move on, though.
Because Oladipo did that and threw it up and not look. So, no.
He double pumped it like AG. Remember how Aaron did it? He double pumped it.
He did double pump it. I'd say that, to me, that's a 7.5, 8. That's 8. They don't give half.
It's the same.
No, they don't give half. So is it 7 or 8?
It's an 8. It's an 8. There you go.
Cal gave him 7.
Okay. You know what? That's hard. I want to give our judges, though. I'm going to give them credit, man. They're doing a good job. I like that. They're doing a good work.
Challenge.
Hey, you work hard.
All right, hold on a sec. Larry Nance Jr.
Here we go.
has brought out quick change
You all
to
right?
help him out with his dunk.
I know exactly what he's doing.
Need some help?
3D's getting help.
Go to work. All right, guys. He brought out quick change.
Quick change.
Get into his content. Let's make some noise. Make some noise. Make some noise. Let's go. Let's see what you got. What you got?
I'll put money on that. He put his dance jersey on.
What is
I'll
going
put
on
money on
inside
that.
there? Come on, make some noise, people. Some good's coming. Some good's coming. You ready? You ready? I can't see in there. I can't see. Great, let's go. Let's go. Shorts are shorter.
Can I say this? If you're in Cleveland, you might be in Phoenix next week. So you better chill out. You better not be. Y'all be wishing nothing on that.
He's doing the cradle. He's cradling for sure. He got to do this. But which
Look
one?
at this. What's he doing? He putting stuff on his shoe.
Oh, yeah, you need to stick him.
But which one is he doing? Because he did a couple different ones.
He's got to do the.
You know, a granite or rim, or is he just going to do the cradle?
He ain't going to do
I
the
think he's
two-ball
going to
one.
do this one.
The two-ball one. No, he can't do the two-ball one. No,
Oh, yeah, he's about to do it. Cradle.
Yes, cradle. Yes.
Come on. Oh.
This is what Dad says. It was a little bit harder than you thought.
Yes, sir. Yeah, but Pops made it look so easy. Pops made it look so easy. Straight leg.
Hey, pull it in. Like you did with Dad.
Hey, listen, like father, like son. I mean,
Actually, I'd like to see it side by side. I'd like to see when Pops did it and then when he did it.
do we have that? Do we have that?
Because Jordan actually took that cradle dunk to another level. Everybody remembers the Jordan version.
Wait a minute, though.
Look how far away he is from
The way he pulled it back. Oh, yes.
Okay, yeah.
Yes, sir.
These are one of those dunks you have to see in solo
Yes.
to appreciate it.
Yes.
That's an 8. I would give that an 8.
I'll give that an 8.
I give that an 8
That
too.
was nice, though. The extra sauce at the end. The extra sauce.
I wish he would have made it on the first try, man. That would have.
Oh,
Look at DJ
that's
Khaled. They give him an 8.
Okay. You know, like Khaled maybe he earned it today.
Yeah, we're going to put Khaled in the Winter Olympics, man.
You got what you got to do. What you got to do?